ready? Getting ready. Brooke.
I have 32. How old? Oh, it's a video?
Yeah.
Oh,
Take them.
We finally got here and we're in our Uber. I'm on my suitcase because we ran out of seats and space. Hi. Do you want to be in my vlog? Yeah. Yeah, girl. Now you look great. She's fixing her hair. What it's for YouTube. What's up? What's your name?
Keisha.
Keisha. Shout out Keisha because she was so patient. So patient with us, we were lost. All right, we're heading to the Airbnb. We'll see you there. We just got in the Airbnb. Whew. Oh my. Dang, this is nice. So this is Britt's room. Ooh, oh my God, it just keeps going. Dude, I would sleep in the closet.
Right?
Oh, I love this picture.
There's two. There's one here too.
This is really nice. Okay, what's in here? Probably a closet. Oh, laundry, cool, cool. Okay. This is upstairs also. They're all downstairs like decorating and stuff. This is nice.
Yeah, you're with me. I'm nothing.
Cute.
And this is ours.
And then this is where I'll be sleeping. So we've got like 4 people in here, obviously trundle beds.
In the group chat, there's like 5 different ones. Is there like a dog?
In the living room.
Straight ahead. Yeah. They're up in the back on the trundle, so I pulled one out. But we're not going to use all the trundles in there, so.
Is this not open? This is like a decor only. That's pretty odd. Is there something behind it? Yeah, there's something in there. Nice.
It's so cute.
Oh.
Oh, it looks so cute. Oh, it's so adorable.
I feel like you should close your eyes and look at it from this view.
I always feel like we need to just make her walk in the front door.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Close your eyes.
Let's see the sack.
Oh, it looks cute. Oh, that looks adorable. You guys did this? You have to blow up all those balloons? Lexi did. We thought we lost her for a second. That's so cute.
Amazing.
It's so cute. Oh my god. Brooke, you did go with the decoration. Everybody did go with the decoration.
It's fucking nuts out here.
Hi YouTube, it is Saturday, August 6th. We got down here yesterday and we went out last night to the Jason Aldean bar, which was so fun. If you ever plan on going to that bar, because it's obviously a really popular one, just make sure you get there early because there's always a line to get to the rooftop. I'm just getting ready and doing my hair, so I'm like checking the back to make sure everything is curled. Yeah, if you can get the chance to go to the Jason Aldean bar, definitely highly recommend it. It's really fun, just get there early, like I said, because it's always packed and there's like 3 floors. So we got there, I think it might have been like around 9 o'clock or so, maybe a little bit after that. And we waited in line, not too long, but for a little bit. And then we went straight up to the roof. And then like about half of the crew we're with stayed up there, including myself, like stayed up on the rooftop, like pretty much all night. And then the other half kind of like switched between like 1st and 2nd floor, I believe. So, because it was really, really hot. And it was really fun though. Danced my butt off. I love dancing when I'm like out and stuff. So, it is like 5 o'clock. It is so late. I was like recovering today and just like chilling and relaxing. So we are going to, I'm not really sure actually what we're doing tonight. We're probably gonna go back on Broadway, which is like the strip of all the like bars and stuff and things to do basically. So I think we're gonna go do that. again, but we're pretty much just gonna have like a low-key chill night, I think, or just not as like crazy as last night because we all like went hard on the first night and we were dying today. So I think we're gonna keep it a little bit more chill tonight because tomorrow we're doing a party bus, which is another thing I recommend doing if you come down here. So there's like buses, there's tractors. Last year when I came down here, we did the tractor, so you can check out my vlog from last year if you want, because I have some clips from that, I believe. I think I have trips from that. I think I have videos from that. I'm not really sure because obviously like I'm not taking my camera out when we go do like crazy things like that because I don't want to bring my expensive camera out to like the bar or, you know, places where it could break. So I am just getting ready. I'm about to put my contacts in. And then I'm gonna just like clean up a little bit and then we're probably going to go out. This vlog is probably all over the place. I think I left it off at like giving a little tour of the house maybe. Not really sure. Like I said, it's hard to vlog because I'm not like bringing my camera out in places where it could break. My hair got so long, so it took forever to curl. And also, I like never do a full face of makeup anymore. Oops, that piece is straight. So it's like really weird for me to do a full face of makeup on myself because I just never do that anymore. It's like I almost forgot how to do it myself. Well, I just figured I would catch you up and let you know what we're doing. I will see you guys a little bit later. Good morning! Good morning! My lens is getting foggy. There we go. It's Saturday morning. We're all starting to die, I think. We're all getting a little dehydrated and
just got
tatted. Yes, we are tatted with the groom. There you go. We're getting ready for the party bus. I don't know if this is the bus we're taking or if there's like a bunch of different versions of buses here. Hi guys, this is obviously the next day. I wanted to come on here and close out and let you guys know exactly where we went and what we did and how it went. I officially lost my voice. I'm clearly home. I'm unpacking, so my room is a mess. I am a mess. I am ready to just like shower and relax and be done my wash and unpacking and everything. But I wanted to let you guys know that it was, of course, such a fun trip. It's always hard to vlog a trip like this, though, because I don't feel comfortable bringing my camera out to, like, bars and stuff because I obviously don't want to break my camera or ruin it, which I actually, something did happen to it. I don't think you guys can really see it on screen, but I think it's just something to do with my screen here is a little bit messed up. But anyway, we went to Edley's Barbecue. I went there last year, and I really enjoyed that barbecue, so we went there for a place to eat. Yesterday, we went to Hampton Social for dinner and I highly recommend it. It was the cutest place ever. It was decorated like coastal theme. I'll put some pictures up on here. It was so cute, so pretty. It was overlooking like the bridge. It was just really pretty. I got a Caesar salad with steak on it and it was like the best salad I've ever gotten before. It was so good. I think it's like 3 floors. If you go to the top floor, the rooftop, it is a bar. There's loud music. It's so cute. There's like places to take pictures and it's such an awesome place. Like I actually wish that we went there for like a night out as well, or like it would be really cute for a brunch place too. Highly recommend Hampton Social. So we went there and then we kind of just walked around Broadway like, you know, after dinner, and I got some t-shirts and we just kind of walked around one last time, and then we just went back to the house, packed, and then got ourselves ready to go because we had to be at the airport super early this morning. So such a fun trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to know about certain places. The biggest place that we went to Jason Aldean Friday night. We went out to that bar and we were there all night. It was so much fun. We were there, and then we went to Miranda Lambert, and that was really fun. And then we went to Kid Rock's bar. That one wasn't as busy, so it wasn't like as crazy as Miranda Lambert or Jason Aldean, but it was still a good time. Honestly, overall, highly recommend Nashville, Broadway, so much fun for that party scene, but I am exhausted. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And make sure you check out my Nashville vlog from last year as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.